Welcome each and everyone. Glad to have you back. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken and rice, and this is a one-pot meal. My name is Chef Andre Henry and you're watching Chef Henry Kitchen. Open your cupboard and your fridge, grab your ingredients and let's make this recipe. I'm going to go over all of the ingredients. The star of the show, chicken legs, and I already wash and clean the chicken legs using vinegar. And if you want to see how I watch meat inside the kitchen, you can go check out one of my chicken videos that I already posted. One regular onion, thyme and scallion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 sweet pepper, and 2 carrots. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning, 1 tablespoon of meat seasoning, and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, and 1 tablespoon seasoned salt. So I'm going to start by cutting up the onion. As I stated in the title, this one-pot chicken and rice is a quick weeknight dinner recipe. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, you can go and hit that subscribe button and also hit the like button and share with friends and family. Now I get all of that chopped up, I'm just going to leave them on the board. Now for the chicken, I'm going to separate the leg from the thigh. I wash and I remove all of that fat from the chicken just to make it easier when I'm cutting up the chicken. And this is 4 pounds of chicken. Now I'm going to add seasoning. And you always want to save some of the seasoning. If the pot need more seasoning, you can always add more. I'm going to rub the seasoning in the chicken and get that chicken well seasoned. I get the chicken well seasoned, and this is what the seasoned chicken look like. Gonna let the chicken sit and marinate for 10 minutes. I have my pot onto the stove. I added half a cup of vegetable oil and I have my stove turned on. Just waiting on the oil to get hot. Now the oil is hot, it's time to brown the chicken into the pot. Now I finish adding the chicken pieces into the pot. I'm gonna start flipping the chicken on the other side, so they can get color. So we're gonna let them fry up for 20 minutes, but you always wanna check and keep turning them over. Now that the chicken is finished frying up, now I'm gonna drain the oil, and I'm gonna drain the oil in this bowl. Now I finish draining some of the oil. I'm going to remove the chicken from the pot and I'm just going to rest them on this plate. This chicken have nice color. Now I finish removing the chicken and this is the amount of oil that's left in the pot. I'm going to saute the vegetable and the green seasoning. And I turn down the stove and I'm going to turn it back up. We're going to saute for 3 to 4 minutes. And the reason you don't want them to get too soft, I'm going to add the same season that I used to season the chicken, just to get the sauteed vegetable and green seasoning well seasoned. We're going to add all of the seasoning. Take it from me, my mom taught me how to cook and I went to school to be a top Jamaican chef. We're going for 3 to 4 minutes. In this bowl, I have 2 cups of basmati rice and I'm gonna add 2 more cups. That make it 4 cups of rice. I'm gonna wash the rice. Now I finish washing the rice. I'm gonna add the rice into the pot. And I'm gonna mix the rice in with the sauteed vegetable for 1 minute. So the seasoning can combine and add the flavor into the basmati rice. I have 6 cups of water into this jug and I'm gonna add it into the rice. We're not gonna add all of the water, we're just gonna add enough till it become an inch over the rice. So as soon as you add water and it start covering the rice, we're gonna do the measurement. We're not gonna add too much water because we're gonna steam the rice. So you want the water to be an inch. So hold the spoon, look at it, touch the rice, and then we're gonna add some more. And that's an inch of water over the rice. Now I'm gonna add a teaspoon of salt. And I'm gonna mix it in. Now I turn the stove up. You wanna get it back and I heat. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of salted butter. And it's not gonna get the pot salty because the salt was not that much, because I know I'm gonna add the salted butter. I'm gonna place the cover on. I always say this in previous video, rice take 15 to 20 minutes to fully cook and steam. I'm gonna come back in 10 minutes to check on the rice. Now I'm gonna check on the rice. I'm gonna stir it. And the rice is looking good. I'm gonna drop the temperature down. So it was at 9, so I'm gonna take it to 5. I keep the chicken in the microwave to keep it warm. Now I'm gonna add it into the rice. You want to make room. That's all of the chicken fit nice into the pot. Now I get all the chicken inside the pot. I'm gonna cover and we're gonna let it steam down for the remaining 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna check on the rice and I'm gonna remove the cover. I garnish with some chopped up green onion, and this is what my chicken and rice look like. I'm gonna shut the stove off and I will see you all for the taste test. I have my rice and chicken, and guys, I tell you, it's a one-pot meal. And you see everything that I demonstrate in the video, and look at my chicken and my rice, and everything is steamed on good. I'm gonna go in for the taste test. I'm gonna try some of the rice. When I said well seasoned, you're talking about this rice. I'm gonna try a piece of chicken. Guys, you don't have to ask any question right now. Just go in the comment section, make this, come back in the comment section, and just ask. Don't want to eat in front of you guys because I don't like it, because you guys are watching and you are hungry. I know that. You and you are hungry. So see you on the next one.